Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and there is no better feeling than wrapping yourself in a nice warm towel when you step out of the shower.
Meet your new daily luxury, the VIP Bath 35-liter towel warmer. It is so perfect. It has such a large interior that it can warm multiple towels or robes all at once, which is perfect for that spa-like experience. It even has a space to put little scent capsules, so you have an amazing smelling towel that is also warm. It is designed to be so beautiful in your bathroom, and I love that it can smoosh down into a smaller size if you're not using it in maybe the summer months. I'm picturing it's winter, you have an outdoor hot tub, and you're warming up your towels for when you get out. Absolute luxury.
So, if you are sick of a cold towel when you step out of the shower, get this towel warmer. You are going to be so happy you did. And that's my point of view.